Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Fucking nigga, get rich, bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in.
She got an ass, she go ooh-wee. I go deep and make you ski. Got a new back row rats come neat. My young nigga spinning like gem of the week. Get doses of dick to the bitch OD. Bustin' and shaking like ooh-wee. You know what you do to me, my bitch on me like jewelry.
Hey you guys, I am back with another video. Today's video is just a quick video that I will be doing. I may glam up my eyeshadow and do a basic makeup look, but have my eyeshadow a little glam because it don't really make no sense to go all out due to the fact that it's coronavirus and it's like I gotta wear a mask and the only thing that really be popping is my eyes. So I think I'm gonna go a little dramatic on the eyes. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. So I will start with my eyebrows first, but you guys already know my routine. When I am doing my makeup, the glasses come off and the contacts come on. So let's do that first. That's much better. I'm going to prime my face. I got this inside of one of my Boxy Charms boxes. So I want to see how this works. I never heard of this. It's called the Professional Pore Primer. It had good ratings. It's a oil-free, lightweight, translucent, silky feel. I guess a little go a long way. Usually I always put a little bit prime on my face. I never even opened it. Smudging on your face and nothing like that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I got your card already.
What card?
Your black card. What was the thing again? 8937?
Yeah. Babe, you do know I'm filming, right?
Oh. Hey, that's probably good. Get your code.
How they know what it was? Now they know. I tell ya. I'm not even going to edit this out. Thing I like about this eyeshadow is that you don't have to put concealer. Sometimes I just do my eyebrows and I go like I don't even put concealer like around it. Or just like my makeup, like when I make a mistake. This is what I mean, like sometimes I don't even have to put concealer. I just go. So that's that. Shout out to my girl Shanique. Miss Russell, she's my braider. She's my braider. As soon as I touched down from GA, I was like, I hit her up. I was like, listen, I need my hair done. So I wanted braids. So shout out to her. She hooked your girl up. Now I'm going to jump into the concealer I'm using over my eyelid is ilmakiage number 13 F I Am Flawless. I'm still makeup look sometimes is the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze. I love this palette. I love how pigmented it is. I just, the colors in it, yeah, just everything about it. I really like Sherbet, which is this color. Before you start off your makeup, you're supposed to start off with a light base. Well, I like to start off with a light base. It helps blend in all the colors. Color. Make sure I pack that brush up because I really want a beautiful, beautiful yellow tone. Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm gonna go in with this color. Okay, here we go. Other one. Okay. I'm going to take the concealer again. I'm going to do a cut crease because I want to glitter. A glitter. Okay. The shimmery look within the eyeshadow. I do clean it up with the concealer. Oh my God. Now I'm going to go back in with the yellow. Just from where I took some off and I wiped away my eyelashes. And let me tell you something. This one, Ruby Kisses, I got from the drugstore. When I say when your eyelashes get wet, it really is like waterproof and how it come off and things like that. Like it really is. I'm just touching up a little bit. It really is. So, you ladies already know, my ladies and gents, you guys already know what lashes I'm going to put on. It is XOO lashes. These are called Lola. You guys already know. Only one style of lashes I wear. Not style, but only one brand of lashes I wear. Let me show you guys again. We're going to focus. Lola. There we go. I'm going to put some primer back on my face. And I'm not doing my orange concealer like I usually do to cover up my dark circles. I'm just going to put the foundation. I just put some more pour because I wiped it off. My foundation. Okay, this is my go-to foundation. Fit Me Foundation Matte Poreless. With this foundation, I like to use a beauty sponge. I just post them out and I go like this and pat. If you guys are wondering, I am number 330 Toffee in Maybelline products.
I don't see what would be the need to use full coverage with this one. I know people just like full coverage, but on a regular day, I don't really like to pack my face up with too much makeup. So a little goes a long way.
Okay, I'm almost done. Eyeliner. This is actually an eyeliner. I mean, an eyebrow liner. I use it for my lips though, because I don't like it like for my eyebrows. I'm going to put some concealer just to brighten under my eye and so I could set. And then I'm gonna let it bake. Listen, you guys, I find that this is starting to be like my favorite baking powder. You hear me? This is starting to be like my go-to, like, this is what it is powder. Like, I'm falling in love with this powder. I like taking my moles away sometimes. There we have it.